Hello and welcome to Flying Bobbins, home of the Sewalong Club. I'm Liz and today I wanted to make this video to talk you through the beautiful fabrics and buttons that I have sourced for my next sew along, which will be the Jenna shirt by Closet Core Patterns. So first let's take a quick look at this pattern. I'm wearing it today. As you can see, I've just finished making this blouse now in a Lady McElroy cotton lawn. It's a really nice classic shirt pattern, one of those patterns that you kind of want in your pattern library, just so that you can make yourself a multitude of different shirts. They're so versatile. You can wear them with jeans, wear them as over the top of another top untucked. It's just one of those wardrobe staples that looks really smart and everyone loves to wear. And they really suit everybody. On top of that, you know, you're getting yourself the most fantastic shirt. You're also learning lots with this pattern too. So you're going to learn about buttonholes, about a collar, about a cuff with a placket. So lots and lots of different techniques. The famous burrito method for encasing the shoulder seams into the yoke. Lots to learn with this project. It's really enjoyable. And you end up with the most beautiful shirt at the end of it that you can then make again and again in different fabrics. So as I said, the Jenna shirt will feature as my Sew Along Club project for the month of March 2025. That means that I'm filming it this month, we're now in February, and then the Sew Along will go live on the 1st of March. If you're a Sew Along Club member, that means that you'll get sent an email with the link on the 1st of March, and you can follow along and sew with me as I show you how to measure, cut, sew and finish your Jenna blouse. If you're not a member of the Sew Along Club, then I shall pop some details below, a link to my website where you can learn a bit more. It's basically £10 per month and I cover a new pattern every month, talking you through exactly how to make it. So I take all of the stress out of it. I'm a sewing teacher and my students always said, we wish that we could take you home with us so that you could sit next to us in our sewing room. Well, this is the closest thing to having me sit next to you in your sewing room as you endeavour to make all these beautiful patterns that are out there. So just a few details about the pattern. It goes from a size extra small up to a 4X, and that is a 31 to 32 inch bust up to a 57 to 60 inch bust, or if we're talking in metric measurements, that's a 79 centimetre up to a 152 centimetre bust. So there's a really great size range. It's quite a roomy fit as well, so there's lots of ease for you. There are 3 views to follow. View A is a classic shirt with a curved hem, which I'm wearing today. View B is a cropped shirt, and then view C is a shirt dress. So you have a skirt add-on that you can then add on to the shirt top to make a lovely shirt dress. So it's a really useful, versatile pattern for you. Now, if you're already a member of the Sew Along Club, you have received your email on Monday letting you know that the kits are available to pre-order. So every 10th of the month I open up a selection of kits for the following month's projects, and the Jenna shirt dress kits are just available now. So if you're already a member, now is the time to go into the club kit section of the website and pre-order your kit. There's a huge selection. I'm going to show you through the fabrics now. Once you've ordered your kit, that will be cut and sent out to you before the 1st of March, ready for the sew along. So you can wash your fabric, get ready and sew. If you're not already a member, then you can join via the link in the description box below, and then you will be sent an invite to come to the website and pre-order your kit. If you've got any questions, of course, just let me know. Okay, so let's talk fabrics, of course, because that's the exciting part. First of all, I wanted to show you these beautiful stripes. Obviously, we're entering into spring now. I think we've all had enough of the grey weather, and I just think that these beautiful colours, these fresh spring colours, just make me smile. They've got real sunshine vibes. These are by a French company called Domatex. They're very nice quality. They're always really high on trend. And I just think that this makes the most beautiful classic shirt. So first of all, we have the pink. Whoops, Daisy, it's got caught up at the bottom there. Let's unravel this so you can see how it drapes. We have this beautiful pink stripe here. This is a very fine stripe. So it's a blush pink, like a tea rose, paler than a tea rose, so a blush pink, with a beautiful, very fine white stripe on it. It's 100% cotton and it has a lovely textured, soft feel to it. So it's a very nice shirt that you could wear if you're going for a more casual look. I can imagine wearing a shirt which is sort of undone, layering it up over a top maybe, or wearing it tucked in and buttoned up with a pair of jeans. I think this is a really nice classic pink, very flattering for lots of different skin tones. Alongside that we have a slightly wider stripe in the blue and the lemon. So the blue is a really classic one. I think, you know, when you think of classic shirts, you do sort of tend to think of this blue and white combo. And of course, the great thing about stripes is that you can play about with them. So I would go for obviously the vertical stripe on the shirt, but maybe go horizontal on the yoke panel that you have at the back. So it's really nice to play with, and you get this nice classic look. So this is blue and white. It's a lovely sort of chambray denim-y blue. Once again, in this beautiful washed soft cotton. It's not really kind of a starchy cotton. It's a very, very soft hand feel. 100% cotton. Well, actually, I think it's 90% cotton, 10% polyester. I'm going to have to remember that, but yeah, it has the fit. I think the polyester might be just to help with the construction of the fabric, but yeah, it's got a tiny bit of polyester in it, if I remember rightly. So yeah, then we've got the yellow, and I think this is what I'm going to make my shirt in for the video. So this beautiful sunny stripe yellow. I just think it looks really nice with dark blue jeans. And I'm craving spring, and this lovely colour makes me think of spring daffodils, so I just love it. I think it's really bright and beautiful. So those are your stripes, that's your first selection there. So they're very nice, and oops, they'll make you a lovely classic timeless shirt. And then if you want to go, talking of classic again, we've got the white cotton poplins. This is 100% cotton. It's hard to showcase a white fabric on a video, but what I would say about this is it's got a lovely tight weave, a really satinised feel, like a cotton sateen type feel to it. It's very beautifully woven, very crisp, nice and easy to sew with, and a beautiful shade of white. It's not too blue, but it's not cream either. It's just a nice warm white, perfect choice for a classic white shirt. Mentioned buttons as well. So with this kit, I have put some Goya shell buttons. So these are very beautiful kind of shell buttons with different colours in them that look really nice on the white shirt. With the cottons here, I found some really interesting buttons which are recycled cotton, and they have this lovely kind of hand pressed feel to them. They're really unusual, and I think having really great buttons elevates your project as well. So take a look at the website for more details on the buttons that go with each of these fabrics. Next up, I have two gorgeous prints by Atelier Brunette. Now, if you haven't heard of Atelier Brunette, they're a very fashionable French fabric house, and the fabrics are designed in Paris and manufactured in India. Really, really lovely designs, always super modern, very comfortable. You'll see them in all of the sewing magazines and on all of the blogs. So you've got this lovely native print. This is on kind of a very warm ivory ground with a very charcoaly navy and taupe crosshatch pattern on it. It's a lovely lightweight cloth, perfect for the summer. I think it'd be fine, although it's slightly see-through, be fine to wear if you've got a vest on underneath. And it's just a lovely, lovely print. And that also comes in this gorgeous dark, what they call midnight blue, which is like a very dark navy. And that's with these magenta crosshatch patterns. And again, it's just so flattering. And I think this would work well in a shirt dress as well as in the shirt. So yeah, it's just such lovely, lovely prints from them, really modern. It was quite difficult to choose which fabric to make my shirt with. And then for the Atelier Brunette fabrics, I've sourced some blue and ivory Carozo buttons. And that is a naturally derived eco-friendly button made from a plant source, and it's a beautiful alternative, has the look of ivory. Lastly but not leastly, we have what I'm wearing today, which is the Lady McElroy heart print. And this is a cotton lawn, it's very lightweight, really nicely woven, very easy to sew with, nice and crisp, and just makes up beautifully. Just have to consider when you're cutting out your shirt to make sure all the hearts are the right way up, of course. But yeah, it's lovely to sew with. I can vouch for that because I've just made my blouse. And I just think it's such a nice, fun garment to wear, especially this time of the year in February. But I think I like wearing these sweet, fun prints all year round. And then that also comes in black as well. So these ones, I have put some beautiful enamel buttons with a shank. And these perfectly match the rust colour of the heart shapes. So these buttons just go really, really well with it. So that brings me to the end of my fabric show and tell for the Jenna shirt pattern. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the fabrics that I've sourced for you today. You could make this shirt in so many different fabrics, it's really hard to narrow it down, but I'm really, really pleased with how the fabrics have, when they've arrived, I'm really, really pleased with how gorgeous they all look. Other fabrics you could use would be a chambray or any other shirting really, a gingham even. If you wanted to go for a floatier look, especially for maybe the shirt dress option, you could also go for a viscose challis. And I've got tons of fabric on my website, so please do check out the fabric section. If you don't see something you like here and you want a kit in a different fabric, just let me know. But I really, really love all of the fabrics that we've sourced for you this month. So I'm excited to share them with you. I hope you're feeling inspired. Of course, with the Sew Along Club, you can always bust your stash. I know that a lot of people have beautiful fabrics just waiting to be made into something. And if that's what you want to do, then you can just order your pattern from me. Don't forget that Sew Along Club members get 10% off patterns and kits, not just for the Jenna shirt dress, but you will also get 10% off all of my dressmaking kits. So do look into joining the Sew Along Club if you're not already a member. We'd love to have you. And if you are already a member, thank you for bearing with me and watching this lovely fabric show and tell video. Let me know what you think. And I can't wait to start cutting these, sending them out to you, packaging them up, and then seeing how you get on with all your makes. I'll see you next month when I'll be showcasing fabrics for the Pilar jacket by Maison Fauve. In the meantime, I think I need to get my sewing machine threaded up and start making my shirt. I'll see you next time.